Okay, so week 4, learning task 2 on page 19. Page 19. So we're finished. Tapos na tayo sa learning task 1. Let's continue discussing the self-learning module. So meron tayong tinatawag dito na linear equation in two variables. Linear equation. Linear equation. Ito yung mga equation. These are equations na kapag ginraph natin will result in a straight line. Yung mga graph ng linear equation ay usually straight lines. Pag ginraph natin, straight ang lumalabas na line. Okay? In two variables, so this is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. Two variables because meron tayong dalawang variable, x and y. Okay, yung para malaman natin that this is a linear equation, dapat the pinakamataas na exponent is 1. So, ang exponent ng x is 1. Ang exponent ng y is 1. So, pag ginraph natin to, this is a linear equation. Yung mga a, mga number yun. Okay, example. This is an example of a linear equation. Meron tayong two variables, x variable and y variable. This is yung A, naman yung B. Okay? A and B. Then meron tayong C dito, the constant number na walang katabing variable. This is the constant, C. Constant. A term na walang katabing variable. Wala siyang katabing variable, number lang siya. Okay? So, meron tayong example dito. Sabi, which of the following ordered pairs will make the equation true? True. Okay, so we have here a linear equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 32. And meron tayong dalawang ordered pair. One is 4, x is 4, y is 10. The other one is x is 10, y is 4. So, alin daw sa dalawang to ang true ordered pair para dito? So, basically, ang gagawin natin is ito yung x natin, ito yung y, ito yung x dito, ito naman yung y dito. So, kapag pinalitan natin yung x dito at saka yung y dito ng x and y, dapat magiging equal to 32. Okay, so let's try first the first ordered pair. Test natin if this is true ordered pair of this linear equation. So, 2x plus 3 is equal to 32. Copyain lang natin. So, itong x na to, papalitan natin ng 4. So, magiging 2 times 4. Ibig sabihin ng 2x is 2 times x. So, pag pinalitan natin to ng 4, magiging 2 times 4 plus 3y. Yung y natin is positive 10. So, 3 times. Pinalitan natin tong y ng 10, magiging 3 times 10. After natin palitan yung mga variables, ng mga values dito sa co-ordered pair, sa ating first ordered pair, we will proceed with computation. So, this is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 8 plus 30. So, ito ay this one, tong equation na to ay magiging ganito. 8 plus 30 is 38. Is not equal to 32. So, yung left side is not equal to the right side. Yung left side is 38 while the right side is 32. So therefore, this one is not true ordered pair of this linear equation. Okay, so next, let's try the second ordered pair, 10, 4. Let's try if this is the true ordered pair of this linear equation. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa first. Copyin muna natin. Let's copy first the linear equation, yung original. And then we substitute x-coordinate dito. Oops, may mali. This it should be y. No? It should be y. Saglit lang. Correct ko lang ha. Saglit lang. I will just correct bago ko makalimutan. Okay. So this is hindi siya dapat hindi siya dapat x, but instead siya ay dapat na y. Oops. Okay, y. Just a moment. Okay, so sorry for the delay. Kinarek lang natin. So the original equation was 2x plus 3y is equal to 32. Correct na. 2x plus 3y is equal to 32. So next na gagawin natin is we're going to replace the x coordinate and the y coordinate with ang pinapatest sa atin is x is 10 and y is 4. So x is 10 and y is 4. So, itong x na 'to ay magiging parenthesis 10. Okay? Bakit parenthesis? Because 2x, ang ibig sabihin is 2 times x. So, kung papalitan natin ng x ng 10, dapat lalagyan natin ng parenthesis para ibig sabihin nun is 2 times 10. And then ng y, lalagyan natin ng parenthesis and then papalitan natin ng y ng 4. Because ang ibig sabihin ng 3y is 3 times y. Since ang y natin is 4, so ibig sabihin is 3 times 4. Kailangan may parenthesis to denote that this is a multiplication operation. So, ito na tayo. Kapag ito na tayo, no? So, kapag inoperate natin to, 2 times 10, magiging 20. Positive 3 times positive 4 is positive 12 equals 32. Okay? So, 20 plus 12 is equal to 32, equal to 32. So, the left side is equal to the right side. So, therefore, ang coordinate natin na 4x is 4 and y is 10 is a true coordinate. This is a true coordinate of this linear equation. Okay? Ulit lang. Paano ba ito? Wait lang. Okay. So, hence, ibig sabihin sa makatuwid, in Tagalog, sa makatuwid, then, x is 10, and y is 4 is called the solution of the equation. So, maraming tawag, no? Pwedeng tawaging solution of the equation. Pwede rin tawaging true coordinates. Pero madalas, malimit most of the time kapag nag-equal, kapag meron kang ordered pair and then sinubstitute mo sa isang equation, linear equation, and then nag-equal yung left at saka yung right, that is a solution of the equation. Okay? Sisave ko lang saglit, baka malimutan ko. Baka mawala yung correction. Sisave lang natin saglit. Okay? Okay, so meron tayong example dito. So meron tayong linear equation in two variables. Two variables, isang x at isang y. Parehong exponent is 1. Okay, so this is linear equation. Pag nagkaroon ng 2, that is not already a linear equation. That's a quadratic equation. Hindi na straight ang graph niya. Kapag nagkaroon ng exponent other than 1, no? Kapag hindi na 1 ang exponent. Pero kapag 1 ang exponent, kapag walang nakasulat na exponent dito, that's understood the exponent is equal to 1. And kapag meron tayong dalawang variables na ang exponent is 1, that is a linear equation in two variables. Dalawang variables, x and y. So dito, pinapahanap sa atin, find 5 solutions. Maghanap daw tayo ng 5 solutions for the linear equation x plus y is equal to 3. So ganito ang gagawin. Gagawa ng table. This one is for the x. This one is for the y. And then dito lalagay natin yung computation. Okay? So, meron akong ginawa dito. So, yung pinapa-find sa atin na solution is x plus y is equal to 3. Yan, x plus y is equal to 3. Kinopya ko lang dito. X plus y is equal to 3. No? X plus y is equal to 3. Okay? X plus y is equal to 3. Ito yung equation na pinapahanap sa atin ang 5 solutions. Okay, x plus y is equal to 3. Kinopya ko lang. So, para medyo madali, equate natin to y. Ano ibig sabihin ng equate to y? Kailangan y lang yung nasa left side. So, paano mangyayari na ang y lang ang nasa left side? So, itong x na to, kailangan ilipat natin sa kabila. Okay? So, magiging y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, and then tong positive x, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative x. Okay? Because tinranspose natin sa other side. Kumbaga, tumawid siya ng equal sign. Ito yung equal sign eh. Okay, this is the equal sign. This is the equal sign. Kapag yung nasa left side, tumawid ng equal sign, magpapalit ng sign. Pag positive, magiging negative sa kabila. Kung negative, pumalpunta sa kabila, magiging positive. Okay? So, pag nagpalit ng side, nagpapalit ng sign. Yung negative, pag pumunta sa kabila, magiging positive. At kung positive, pumunta sa kabila, magiging negative. Ganun din dito, kung positive, pumunta sa kabila, magiging negative. Or kung negative, pumunta sa kabila, magiging positive. So, itong dalawang to, they are equal. Pareho. Itong equation na to is ito din to. They are the same. Okay? Ilipat lang natin yung x sa kabila. Naging negative 3. Okay? So, bakit natin ginawa yan? So, balikan natin yung problem. So, binigay sa atin ang value ng x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron tayong x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ang gagawin nyo is kukumpitin nyo kapag kapag ang x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anong magiging value ng y? Okay, so bakit naging 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2 ang y? Bakit siya naging y? Because we are going to follow this equation. So kapag ang x is 1, kapag yung x ginawa mong 1, So, ito 'no, sinusundan lang natin 'to 'no, because ito yung linear equation natin. Ginawa natin ganito, susulat natin dito. Okay? Para madaling makuha yung y. So, pag sinundan natin 'tong formula na 'to, itong x, ang papalitan lang natin itong x na 'to. Okay, sabi dito, kapag ang x is 1, therefore, itong x na 'to gagawin nating 1. So, ang y ay magiging equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so kapag ang x is 1, y is 2. Okay? X. Kapag ang x is 2, so ito yung formula natin. Papalitan natin tong x ng 2. Kaya magiging 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, so yung y magiging equal to 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1. Okay? Again, saan nga ba nanggaling to? Saan nga ba nanggaling to? This came from the original linear equation na pinapahanap sa atin yung original problem. Pinapahanap sa atin ng 5 solutions. Okay? So, let's continue. Kapag daw ang x ay ginawang 3, ano ang magiging value ng y? So, y is equal to 3 minus 3. Bakit 3 minus 3? Because yung x, papalitan mo ng sabi dito, kapag ang x is 3, so yung x na to, papalitan ng 3. So, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Next, kapag ang x is 4, anong magiging value ng y? So, y is equal to, according to the formula, y is equal to 3 minus x. Pag pinalitan natin yung x ng 4, magiging 3 minus 4, meron tayong dalawang numbers na magkaibang sign. 3 is positive and 4 is negative. So, we will going to perform a subtraction. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is negative 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bakit negative? Because mas marami yung mga negative. Mas dominant yung mga negative, mas marami sila. So, ang nangyari is, yung tatlong positive, binawasan niya ng tatlong negative, itong negative 4. Ang natira is negative 1. Okay? So, ulit, subtraction because magkaiba sila ng sign. One is negative, the one is positive. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then, bakit negative? Because mas marami yung mga negative. Mas dominant yung mga negative. Okay? And the last example, x is 5. Kapag ang x is equal to 5, anong magiging value ng y natin? Of course, makikita nyo dito, negative 2. Paano naging negative 2 yun? So, susundan lang natin itong formula natin. Y is equal to 3 minus x. So, itong x na to ay papalitan natin ng positive 5. So, magiging 3 minus 5. Again, we have two numbers with different sign. This is positive 3. Yung number na walang sign is considered positive. By default, positive yan, no? So, this is positive and this is negative. So, magkaiba sila. We will going to perform a subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. And bakit negative? Because mas marami yung mga negative kaysa sa mga positive. Okay? So, sa bawat tatlong positive, babawasan niya ng tatlong negative. Pag binawasan mo ng tatlong negative to, ang matitira is dalawang negative na lang. Okay? So, 5 minus 3 is 2. Bakit negative? Because dominant yung mga negative, mas marami yung mga negative. Okay? So, ganun sinagutan to, no? According to the book. That's how you get the solution. That's how you get the solution, no? Get the solution of the equation. So, dito, pinahanap sa atin, 5 solutions. So, binigay niya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, paano natin nakuha yung y? Ginamit natin yung equation. Ginamit natin yung equation. But dito, yung equation is original form. Medyo mahirap malaman yung y, no? Kagaya nito. 2 plus y is equal to 3. So, what is the value of y? So, mag-iisip ka pa ng value ng y na pag pinlas na 2 equals to 3. And that is 1. No? So, itong ginawa naman natin is in-equate natin sa y. Ginawa natin y lang ang mag-isa sa left side. So, itong x, ilipat natin dito sa kabila. Itong x na to, nilipat natin sa kabila, naging negative x, para y na lang ang matitira. So, kapag y na lang ang matitira, we can now compute for the value of y. Paano natin malalaman ang value ng y? Papalitan lang natin tong x ng binibigay sa ating x, na given na x. And that's how we come up with the values of y. So, ganun kino-compute ang mga value of y. Okay? So, next is going to discuss the slope of the line. So, ano ba yung slope? So, yung slope, pinsan maririnig natin sa European countries. Pag slope, for example, slope is mountain. So, pag nag-search ka sa internet slope, okay, so yun nga, lumalabas mga math, no? Pero yung slope, yung salitang slope na galing yan sa mountain slope. Yan, yung slope ng mountain. Okay? Yung gilid niya. Okay? So, yung slope is the measure, yung sukat ng steepness and direction. Ibig sabihin ng steepness, kung meron kang linya na horizontal, okay? So, 0 yung slope. Merong slope na ganito, yung masyadong matarik. May slope naman na ganun, napakatarik. Okay? So, merong slope na rising to the right. Meron naman slope na falling to the right. Or nahuhulog sa right. Or rising to the left. Paangat siya, papuntang kaliwa. Okay? So, maraming slope. No? Maraming slope. Meron pa ganyan slope. Meron pa ganyan slope. Merong vertical slope is mamaya di-discuss natin kung anong tawag sa vertical slope. So the slope is the rise over the run. Rise over the run. So, pag sinabing rise, ang pag-angat niya, pag-angat niya, rise. Pag sinabing run, horizontal, yung pag tumakbo ka, either tumakbo ka sa kanan or tumakbo ka sa kaliwa. Huh? So, pwedeng sa kanan tumakbo, pwedeng sa kaliwa. Yung rise naman, pwede kang umakyat or pwede namang bumaba. Okay. So, the graph at the right is the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to -1. So, ito, x plus y is equal to -1. The slope of the line can be determined by the rise over the run. So, paano natin determine ng rise? So, meron tayong dalawang point. Meron tayong point dito. Nakatapat siya sa x is equal to 3. So, titingin mo, pag sinabing x coordinate, dito tayo titingin sa x coordinate. Nasaan ang positive 3? This is positive 3. This is the positive 3. And this is y coordinate, -4. So, -4. Okay? X is positive 3 and y is -4. So, therefore, ayun ang point. Pag nag-drawing tayo ng linya, pag ganyan. Okay? And the second point is x is -3. So, x is -3 and y is positive 2. So, pag y, positive 2, dito tayo titingin sa y-axis. So, yung mga positive nasa taas, yung mga negative nasa baba. So, ang positive 2 ay ito. Okay? So, kapag nag-drawing tayo ng line, ang intersection, kung saan sila na-cross, that is point x -3 and -2. So, paano natin mako-compute ang slope? So, ito yung first point natin, yung second point natin. So, pag kinonekta natin ang dalawang linya yan, kumuha tayo ng ruler and kinonekta natin yan, sinulatan natin ng pencil or ball pen. This is the graph of x plus y is equal to -1. So, pinapahanap sa atin ang slope of the line. So, yung slope, ang symbol ng slope is M. Ang symbol ng slope is M. The slope is equals to the rise divided by the run. So, yung rise, so rise, simula tayo dito sa point na to. Simula tayo sa point na yon. Simula tayo sa point na to. Ilang beses umakyat yung point hanggang tumapat siya dito sa second point na to. So, ilang beses siyang umakyat. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pag umakyat, positive. So, positive 6. That's why ang rise niya is positive 6. Okay? Now, yung run niya, kung saan tayo tumigil, ilang yung rise is paakyat or pababa. That is the rise. Kung umakyat ka or bumaba ka. Now, the run is kung tumakbo ka sa right side or tumakbo ka sa left side. So, kapag tumakbo ka sa right side, positive. That is a positive run. Pag tumakbo ka sa left side, that is a negative run. So, pag akyat mo na 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ilang takbo hanggang makarating ka dito sa second point. So, ito natin ang kulay para medyo... So, simula dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places. And since tumakbo tayo pa kaliwa, that is a negative run. So, yung run niya is negative 6. Okay? So, pag dinivide natin to, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Bakit negative? Because nag-divide ka ng dalawang number na magkaiba ang sign. Yung nasa taas is positive, nasa taas ay positive, and yung nasa baba is negative. So, therefore, the slope of x plus y is equal to negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Okay? So, yung M. M is the symbol of slope. Pag nakita niyo yung letter M, ibig sabihin nun, that is the slope of the line. Okay? So, the slope is negative. So, negative daw yung slope when the line falls to the right. So, ibig sabihin, nahuhulog siya papunta sa kanan. That's negative. Kagaya nito. Paano ba tayo magbasa? Pa tayo magbabasa, magsisimula sa left, papunta sa right. So, itong graph na to, magsisimula tayo dito sa left. And then, pagpunta niya sa right, unti-unti siya nahuhulog papunta sa right side. So, nahuhulog siya papunta sa right, falls to the right, ibig sabihin, the slope is negative. But when the line rise, or umaangat siya, rises, umaangat siya sa right, then the slope is positive. Okay, mali ang spelling nito, is positive. So, example, meron tayong graph dito. Okay? So, paano tayo nagbabasa? Simula sa kaliwa. So, pagpunta natin sa simula sa left, pagpunta natin sa right, umaakyat tayo. We are rising. Umaakyat tayo habang papunta tayo sa kanan. So, therefore, the slope of this one is positive. So, computing nga natin. Paano ang pag-compute nito? So, napansin nyo, nagsisimula tayo sa right side, ano? Okay? So, pwede rin magsimula sa left side. Okay? So, since ang unang connected dito sa point is yung run, so yung run muna ang kukumputin natin. Okay? So, yung simula dito, ilang beses tumakbo hanggang tumapat sa second point. This is the first point. Ito yung first point. Ito yung graph natin. And then meron siyang dalawang point na binigay. One is this point, x negative 2, negative 3. Ito yung first point. And then ito yung second point. So, simula sa first point, ilang places ang tinakbo hanggang tumapat doon sa second point. So, meron tayong 1. Simula dito, meron tayong 1. Simula doon sa point. Simula sa point, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 places and ang takbo natin is pakanan. Therefore, ang run natin is positive 6. Pag pakanan, pag pupunta sa right side, positive. Pag papunta sa left side, negative. Okay, so after the positive run, let's determine the rise. Okay, so simula dito, ilang places ang tinakbo hanggang makarating sa second point. So, 1, 2, ulit, 1, ulit, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places, 4 places, and then dahil paakyat, that is a positive 4 rise. So, therefore, yung rise natin is positive 4. Yung pag-angat niya is positive 4 pataas. So, pag sinimplify natin yan, 4 over 6 ay naging 2 over 3. Bakit kaya? Because the common factor, the greatest common factor of 4 and 6 is 2. So, i-divide natin to ng 2 over 2. Okay? Yung 4 over 6, i-divide natin ng 2 over 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, therefore, ang simplified slope natin, so ang slope natin is equal to 2 over 3. And kung mapapansin nyo, 4 is positive and 6 is positive. Positive divided by positive is a positive slope. Pag ang slope mo is positive, it is rising papunta sa kanan. Umaakyat siya papunta sa kanan. If the slope is negative, bumababa siya papunta sa kanan. Pababa. Okay? So, meron din tayong formula ng slope. Okay? So, kapag meron kang dalawang points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, yung formula ng slope is yung y2, ima-minus mo sa y1, okay? Yung y2, ima-minus mo sa y1. y2 minus y1, that is the rise. Yan, magsasabi kung ilan ang inakyat or ilan ang binaba. Rise. Yung y. Kasi yung y-axis ang ano eh. Yung y-axis ang nagsasabi, ito yung y-axis eh. Yung y ang nagsasabi kung pataas or pababa. Pataas or pababa. That's why nasa taas yung y. yung rise. And then sa baba naman is the run. Kung ilan ang tinakbo niya sa kanan or pakaliwa. So, yung second x, yung pangalawang x, ima-minus mo sa first x. So, yung second x, ima-minus mo sa first x. Okay? So, hindi pwede na y2 minus y1 pagkatapos sa ilalim ay y1 minus x2. So, kung nag-umpisa ka sa second x, dapat yung x mo second din. And then dito sa kanan, yung mga x1 and y1. Okay, so kung y2 minus y1, dapat ay x2 minus x1. Hindi pwedeng x1 minus x2. Magkakamali kayo ng sagot. Okay, so kung dito, ito naman inumpisahan mo, y1 minus y2, dapat x1 minus x2. Hindi pwedeng x2 minus x1. Okay, so kailangan isang direction lang sila. So, meron tayong example dito, pinapahanap sa atin ang slope ng negative 3, 2, and 3, negative 4. Okay, so this is the formula of the slope. y2 minus y2 minus y1, yung pangalawang y minus yung unang y, and then yung pangalawang x minus yung unang x. So, yung pangalawang y natin is negative 4. So, that's why meron tayong negative 4 dito. Minus yung unang y. So, yung unang y natin is 2. So, that's why meron tayong minus 2. Okay? And then, pag sinundan natin yung formula ulit, sa baba naman is pangalawang x sub 2. So, dito tayo titingin sa pangalawa, sa second coordinate. Ito yung first coordinate natin. Ito yung second coordinate. And ito yung x ng second coordinate is 3. So, susundan lang natin yung formula. Minus, ito yung minus, yung unang x. Bakit kaya may parenthesis dito? Because yung unang x is negative 3. Okay? Kapag may negative, usually binabalutan natin ng parenthesis. So, ang mangyayari dito sa 3 minus negative 3 is magiging 3, negative times negative times negative is magiging positive 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay? Dito naman sa taas, meron tayong negative 4 and negative 2. Negative 4 and negative 2. So, pareho silang negative. So, pagsasamahin natin sila, no? 4 plus 2 is 6. Bakit negative? Because yung 4 na negative ay dinagdagan natin ng 2 negative. Ibig sabihin, 6 na ang negative natin. Okay? Okay, so, eto na tayo, no? We are dividing two numbers with different sign. One is negative and the other is positive. Negative divided by positive is negative. And then 6 divided by 6 is 1. That's why ang sagot natin is negative 1. That is our slope. No? Therefore, the final answer is the slope is equal to negative 1. Okay? So, meron tayong learning task here. Do this on your notebook. Kung magsasubmit through Messenger, kuna ng picture and then isend sa Messenger. Pag hindi kaya sa Messenger, bukod sa notebook, susulat sa intermediate pad and then kukunan ng picture yung intermediate pad ang isasubmit, hindi isasubmit ang notebook. So, yung mga magsasubmit sa school ng activity, dalawa ang susulat nyo, isa sa notebook, and then yung isa is sa intermediate pad. And then yung notebook, hindi isasubmit sa school, yung intermediate pad ang isasubmit. So, dito sa learning task 2, meron tayong letter A. Pinapa-complete sa atin tong table. Kumpletuhin daw natin tong table na to. So, ayan ang mga given. Ito yung linear equation in two variables. Dalawang variable, x and y. And then, dito yung x. Meron siyang binigay na x. -2, 0, 2, 5, 8. And then, meron na tayong isang sagot dito, y, 7. Bonus na yung y, 7. Therefore, the ordered pair is x is -2 and y is 7. Ang gagawin na lang natin is hahanapin natin itong mga values dito. So, ito yun, no? Learning task 2, page 21, letter A. 2x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, kinopya ko lang. 2x plus y is equal to 3. And then, para medyo madali ang pag-compute natin sa y, okay, para medyo madali ang pag-compute natin sa y, i-equate natin yung equation sa y. Ibig sabihin, y lang ang nasa left side. Y lang ang nandito. So, itong 2x na to, ay ililipat natin sa kanan. Okay? So, y is equal to 3, hindi natin gagalawin yun. Y is equal to 3. Ganun pa rin, ano? Y is equal to 3. And then, itong 2x na to, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging may mali. So, yung positive, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative. So, dapat magiging negative to, no? Just a moment, saglit lang, may correction tayo, no? So, itong positive 2x, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, dapat magiging negative 2x. Okay? So, itong 2x, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 2x. So, negative. Okay, so, negative 2x. Okay, so yun. Yun lang ang correction, no? Save ko lang to saglit. Yun ang correction natin. Saan ba ito? Okay. Wait lang. Okay, so yun. So, ulitin natin. Ito yung original natin, ano? 2x plus y is equal to 3. 2x plus y is equal to 3. So, itong positive 2x na to, nung nilipat natin sa kabila, naging negative 2x. Okay, so yung y is equal to 3, ganun pa din. Y is equal to 3. And then, tong positive 2x, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, tong positive 2x, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 2x. Okay? So, kinopya lang natin to, no? Y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So, according to the given, meron na tayong mga values ng x, negative 2, 0, 2, 5, 8. So, meron tayong negative 2, 0, 2, 5, 8. Okay? Yung first ay binigay na sa atin, 7. Okay, paano kinumpute yun? So, ito yung equation natin. Pag pinalitan mo ang x ng negative 2, so simula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin mo lang yan. Okay? And then, itong x, papalitan natin ng negative 2. Kapag negative, kalimitan, nilalagyan ng parenthesis. Okay? Kasi pag hindi mo nilagyan ng parenthesis to, magiging negative 2 minus 2. Okay? So, mawawala yung multiplication operation. Ang ibig sabihin ng 2x is 2 times x. Kaya, lalagyan natin ng parenthesis para itong x na negative 2, i-multiply natin sa negative 2. Okay? So, pag kinompute natin to, y is equal to 3, kokopyahin lang natin, y is equal to 3. And then, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay? Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And then, meron tayong dalawang positive number. 3 plus 4 is 7. That's why yung first coordinate natin is x is negative 2 and y is 7. Okay? Next, pag ang x is 0, ano daw ang magiging value ng y? So, susundan lang natin tong formula. Sundan lang natin yung formula. Okay? Simula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin lang natin. Okay? And then, etong x na to, ay papalitan natin ng 0. Kasi x is 0, so yung x gagawin nating 0. 0 times 0 times any number, yung 0 kapag minultiply mo sa kahit anong number, so ito, this result magiging 0. So, minus 0. 0 times this minus 0. So, nagma-minus ka ng 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So, therefore, ang coordinates dito is yung x is 0. So, may 0 tayo dito. And then y is positive 3. So, may mali na naman. Hindi ito 7, no? This is not 7. Ito ay dapat na 3. Okay, so may correction tayo. Kukorek ko lang, no? This must be 3. Okay? Okay. Yan. Medyo, yan. Okay? So, ano naman daw ang magiging equal ng y? So, una, wala pa yan, ano? Kapag ang x is 2. So, copyin lang natin tong formula. Simula dito hanggang dito. Okay? And then, papalitan lang natin tong x ng 2. Because x is 2. So, yung x na yon, yung x na to ay naging positive 2. Again, may parenthesis because 2x is 2 times x. Then, pag kinumpute natin to, this is simula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin lang natin. Okay? Simula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin lang natin. And then 2 times 2 is 4. This time, meron tayong negative number and positive number. Magkaiba sila. So, we'll perform a subtraction operation. So, 4 minus 1 is 1. Dahil mas marami ang negative, the answer is negative 1. Okay? So, that's why mali na naman tayo dito. Dapat dito is x is 2 and y is negative 1. Okay? Saglit lang, kukorek ko lang, ha. Oops. So, this 3, this is negative 1. This is negative 7. This is negative 13. Okay. Yan, okay na. Okay? X is 2 and y is negative 1. X is 2 and y is negative 1. So, last two numbers, x is 5. X is equal to 5. So, ang gagawin natin, copy lang natin to. Simula dito hanggang dito. Okay, simula doon hanggang doon. And then itong x na to, ay papalitan natin ng 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 dyan. Ang mangyayari is, simula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin lang natin. And then 2 times 5 is 10. And then, meron tayong positive number and negative number. So, susubtract natin tong tatlong positive sa 10 negative. Therefore, matitira is 10 minus 3 is negative 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Bakit negative? Because mas marami yung mga negative. So, binawasan lang natin ng tatlo yung 10. Nagkaroon 10 negative. Yung 10 negative, binawasan natin ng tatlo. Therefore, merong natirang 7 negative. So, therefore, ang solution natin dyan is x is 5, x is 5, and y is negative 7. Y is negative 7. Okay, and last, 8. X is 8. Pay lang natin simula doon hanggang doon. Okay. Y is equal to 3 times 2. And then itong x natin, papalitan natin ang value ng x, 8. So, lalagyan lang natin ng 8 doon. Okay. And then, papagpatuloy na natin to. So, simula dito hanggang dito, kokopyahin muna natin yon. Okay. And then, 2 times 8 is 16. So again, meron tayong positive number and negative number. So, subtract natin. 16 minus 3 is negative 13. Bakit negative 13? Because 16 minus 3 is 13. Bakit natin sinubtract? Because this is negative and this is positive. 16 minus 3 is 13. Bakit negative? Because mas marami ang mga negative kaysa sa positive. So therefore, ang ordered pair natin dito is x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8, and y is negative 13. Y is negative 13. Okay, so pag ginraph mo yan, let's say, kunin natin tong equation na to. Okay, ito yung ginawa natin, no? Okay, so, okay, pag gumamit tayo ng graphing calculator, okay, so nilagay natin dito is 2x plus y is equal to 3. 2x plus y is equal to 3. So, lalabas yung graph niya. No? So, pag zoom natin to, nakalagay dito is 2, 4, 6, 8. Pero pag zoom natin to, lalabas na yung 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, yung first, kapag yung x is negative 2, y is 7, so yung unang point na nasa line 2x plus y is equals to 3 is negative 2, 7. So, pag pumunta tayo sa negative 2, ito yung negative 2, okay? Sundan lang natin to, negative 2, sundan natin tong linya na to. Nandito, pag kinlik natin to, that is negative 2, 7. Negative 2, 7. Okay? Negative 2, 7. Yung pangalawang point, kapag ang x is 0, kapag yung x is 0, kapag sinubstitute natin yung 0 dito, then lumalabas yung y natin is equal to 3. So, ngayong pangalawang point natin, x is 0, y is 3. Tingnan ulit natin yung graph. Hanapin natin ng 0. So, kapag ang x is 0, zoom lang natin para lumabas yung 1, 2, 3. Yan. Kapag x is 0, sundan natin to hanggang tumama tayo. Ito yung graph, tong red line. So, pag kinlik natin to, makikita natin that is x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. Okay? Yung point ay nasa graph. Nakapatong siya sa graph. Next, the third point, kapag ang x is 2, and then sinubstitute natin yung 2 dito sa equation, ang lumalabas na y is negative 1. Therefore, yung third coordinate natin is x is positive 2 and y is negative 1. Okay? So, dapat tong point na to ay nakapatong din dito sa graph na to ng 2x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so x is positive 2 and y is negative 1. So, hanapin natin ang positive 2. Ayun ang positive 2. Zoom in lang natin para lumabas yung 1. Okay, ayan na. Lumabas na yung 1. So, kapag ang x is 2, sundan lang natin tong 2 na to, bumaba, hanggang tumama tayo dun sa graph. Pag kinlik ko yan, okay, makikita nyo that the coordinate is x is positive 2 and y is negative 1. Okay, yung point niyan is x is 2 and y is negative 1. X is positive 2 and y is negative 1. Kapag ang x naman is positive 5, kapag sinubstitute natin tong 5 dito sa equation na to, pag pinalitan natin tong x ng 5, ang lumalabas, pag kinompute natin, ang y magiging negative 7. So, kapag ang x is 5, y is negative 7. Okay, so pag hinanap natin tong point na to, x is 5, ito yung 5 natin. Pag sinundan natin to, hanggang tumama tayo susundan natin tong linya na to, hanggang tumama tayo sa graph. Yun, pag nakatapat siya sa negative 7, no? Pag kinlik ko to para makita natin. Okay, this is x is 5 and y is negative 7. Okay? X is 5 and y is negative 7. So, kung mapapansin nyo, last one, kung mapapansin nyo, yung apat na ginrap natin, yung apat na point ay lahat sila nasa loob ng linya na to. Okay? Because lahat tong point na to is a solution to this linear equation. No? So, ganun din ang mangyayari kapag ang x is 8. So, ano dapat ang value ng y para yung kapag ang x is 8 ay maging point ng y is equals ng equation na to. 2x plus y is equal to 3. So, yung 8, so substitute mo lang doon sa x doon. Itong x na 8, no? Itong x na 8, substitute mo sa x. And then, pag kinompute mo yan, ang lalabas, yung y is equal to negative 13. So, yung panglimang point is x is 8 and y is negative 13. Okay? So, pag tinignan natin, hinahanap natin ang 8 dito. Ito yung 8. Pag sinundan natin to, oops, Zino-zoom in ko lang para lumabas yung mga odd number, no? So, this is 8. Pag sinundan natin to sa baba, okay, sundan natin sa baba, hanggang tumama siya dito sa line. Okay, so, dito sa point na to, makikita natin that this coordinate is x is 8 and y is negative 13. X is 8 and y is negative 13. No? Ang point na yan ay nakatapat sa negative 13 ng y and nakatapat siya sa positive 8 ng x. Okay? So, ganun sinugatan ng letter A. Now, letter B, pinapahanap sa atin ng slope. Determine the slope. Hanapin daw natin ang slope ng mga to. So, first is negative 2, 4, and 1, 6. So, the formula of the slope is dito. Yung pangalawang y minus yung unang y and then pangalawang x minus yung unang x. So, 6 minus 4 and 1 minus negative 2. So, 6 minus 4 and y minus negative 2. No? So, 6 minus 4 is 2 and then negative times negative magiging positive 2 ito. And then 1 plus 2 magiging 3. So, ito magiging 3. And then 2 is 2 pa rin. So, final answer is 2 over 3. This is the slope. The slope. Oops, may mali pala tayo dito, no? Hindi dapat y ito. The symbol of slope is m. The symbol of slope is m. So, papalitan ko lang saglit to, no? Saglit lang. Gawin lang nating m to. Because slope ang hinahanap natin. Okay? Okay. So, ang slope nitong dalawang points na to is positive 2 over 3. So, positive, lamang yan umakyat sa papuntang ganon. Pag ganon ang graph niyan. Kasi positive, papunta sa taas. Simula sa kaliwa, papunta sa taas. That's positive. Next number is x negative 3, negative 1, and x is 5 minus 5. So again, the formula is yung pangalawang x minus yung unang x and then pangalawang pangalawang y minus yung unang y and pangalawang x minus yung unang x. So ito yung second coordinate natin, ito naman yung first coordinate natin. So dito muna tayo sa y. Negative 5 minus negative 1. Pag ganon. Okay, so negative 5 minus negative 1. And then, positive 5 minus positive 3. Pag ganon. From the second to the first. So, positive 5 minus negative 3. Okay, and then, this is negative times negative. So, itong negative 5 is negative 5 pa din. Okay. Itong negative na 'to, negative times negative, so itong this is magiging positive 1. Negative times negative is magiging positive 1. So, ito ay magiging positive 1. And then, ganun din, no? Positive 5, positive 5. Negative times negative, magiging positive 3. Negative times negative 3 is magiging positive 3. Okay? So, since parehong positive to, i-add lang natin to. 5 plus 3 is 8. And these have different signs. So, subtraction. So, subtract natin. 5 minus 1 is 4. Why? Bakit siya negative? Because mas marami yung mga negative. Okay? And then, negative divided by positive, magkaiba ang sign. Negative divided by positive is negative. Bakit naging 1/2 to? Because dinivide natin to ng 4 over 4. The greatest common factor is 4, yung pinakamalaking number na pwede mag-divide sa 4 at sa 8. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, that's why the slope is equal to negative 1/2. That is the slope. Okay? Number 3, find the slope of x is 3, negative 3, and y is negative 4, positive 2. So, the solution, kailangan ulit, susulat natin ang formula. Kasi ang formula ang magga-guide sa atin kung ano ang gagawin. So, the formula of the slope is, ito yung pangalawang coordinate. This is the first coordinate. So, yung pangalawang x minus yung unang x divided by yung pangalawang or yung pangalawang y minus yung unang y. So, ito yung pangalawang y, 2 minus yung unang y. So, ito yung unang y natin, negative 3. So, minus negative 3. Okay? Divided by yung pangalawang x, negative 4, minus yung unang x, which is 3. So, minus 3. Yung nasa ilalim, pwede na natin i-combine. So, pareho silang negative. So, i-add natin silang dalawa. I-combine natin. Pagsasamahin. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. Okay, so magiging negative 7 yun. But yung nasa taas, negative times negative 3 ay magiging positive 3. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to positive 5. Okay? And then, positive divided by negative is negative 5 over 7. Simplest form na negative 5 over 7. Okay, so the slope for number 3 is negative 5 over 7. And last two. So what is the slope of x negative 3 positive 2 and x positive 2 positive 2? So again, the formula for the slope, this is the slope. The formula is yung pangalawang y. So ito yung pangalawang coordinate. Ito yung unang coordinate. Yung pangalawang y, 2 minus yung unang y. So, yung unang y natin is 2. 2 minus 2. Okay? Divided by yung pangalawang x, 2 ulit, 2 minus minus yung unang x. So, ito yung unang x natin, negative 3. Okay, so ito na ang mangyayari, no? Kapag sinundan natin tong formula na to. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And meron tayong negative. Meron tayong negative times negative 3. So, negative times negative 3 magiging positive 3. So, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, dahil 0 yung nasa taas, pwedeng hindi na natin kinompute yung sa ilalim. Kasi kahit ano pang maging value nito, 0 dinivide ng kahit anong number, that's equal to 0. So, the slope nitong dalawang point na to is 0. Kapag ang slope is 0, ang graph niyan is a horizontal line. Diretsong nakahigang linya. Okay? And the last number, so, hanapin daw ang slope ng x ng first point. First point is x is 3, y is 4. And then ang pangalawang point is x is 3 and y is negative 3. Okay? Again, kailangan sa ulado natin ng formula ng slope. Ang formula ng slope. Susundan lang natin ang formula ng slope. Sabi ng formula ng slope, yung pangalawang y is negative 3 minus yung unang y. So, yung unang y is 4. Okay? Divided by yung pangalawang x is 3. Ito, 3. Minus, susulat natin dito minus, sinusundan lang natin tong formula. And then sabi ng formula, minus x, the first x of 1. So, ang first x natin is 3. So, lalagyan natin ng 3 dito. Dito pa lang sa ilalim, makikita natin, 3 minus 3 is 0. So, kapag 0 ang nasa denominator, that is an undefined slope. Bakit undefined slope? Because kapag nagkaroon ka ng 0 sa denominator, okay, kahit anong number, walang number, basta nag-divide ka ng 0, that will result in error. So, for example, kahit anong number, let's say 7, pag dinivide natin ng 0, that is equal to cannot be divided. Okay? No? Or kahit mag-isip pa tayo ng ibang number, 100, pag dinivide natin ng 0, is equal to cannot divide by 0. So, basta nag-divide tayo ng 0, kapag ang denominator is 0, that will produce or magkaka-error ka sa calculator kapag kinumpit mo sa calculator. So, therefore, kapag nagkaroon ng 0 sa ilalim, that is an undefined slope. Okay? So, ulit, if the numerator is 0, walang problema, the slope is 0. The slope is 0. So, wag lang magkakaroon ng 0 sa denominator. Dito sa ilalim, pag nagkaroon ng 0, Hindi kaya ng calculator yan, mag-e-error sa calculator kapag nag-divide ka ng 0. Therefore, that is an undefined slope. Okay? And that's it for learning task 2.